Guys, welcome back to Click Academics. In today's video, I'm going to be teaching you guys how to graph a linear equation in slope-intercept form. So right here we have the equation y equals 3x minus 5. And we actually want to graph this. Well, to graph linear equations such as these, we need two things. We need our slope, which can be written as m, and we need our y-intercept, which can be written as b. And an equation in slope-intercept form is always in the form y is equal to mx plus b. So as you can see, the two variables we need are going to be in the slope-intercept form of a linear equation. And this means that we can derive these two values from our linear equation right here, y equals 3x minus 5. Well, m in this case, y equals mx plus b, y equals 3x, meaning m is 3 and b is negative 5. So now that we have our now that we have our slope and y-intercept, well, we're first going to start with our y-intercept, negative 5. So I have negative 1, negative 2, negative 3, negative 4, and negative 5. So because b is negative 5, we would put a point right here on negative 5. And this is only for the y-axis because this is the y-intercept. If this were positive 5, I would put the point right around here where 5 is. But this is negative 5, so this would be going down, and the point would be right here. So now that we've plotted our y-intercept, all we need to do is we need to use our slope to plot more points. Well, our slope is 3, but our slope is always going to be a fraction. So the fraction form of a whole number is simply that whole number over 1, right? So the fraction form of 3, this is going to be 3 over 1. And 3 is going to be the rise, while 1 is going to be the run. And a slope is always given by rise over run. Rise is how much you go up by, and run is how much you go horizontally. So the rise is 3, right? So that means we go up by 3 units. So 1, 2, 3. So we're right here, and the run is 1. So we're going to go to the right by 1 unit. So our point would be right about here, if this were 1. So now, as you can see, we have to continuously do that until we reach the end of our graph. So we go up by 3 units, 1, 2, 3, and we go to the right by 1 unit, so 1. So our next point would be over here. Now we go to the up by 1 units, we go up by 3 units, 1, 2, 3, and we go to the right by 1. And I think we could do it one more time, 1, 2, 3, and to the right by 1. So now, as you see, we have a line. And now, if the rise were, let's say, negative 3, so if we had negative 3 over 1, well, that would mean we would go down by 3 units. So this is our y-intercept, right? We always start at our y-intercept. We go down by 1 unit, 3 units, so 1, 2, 3, and then we would still go to the right by 1. And this could also mean that we could go up by 3 units, but to the left by 1. So those two are the same things. So that's how you graph a linear equation in slope-intercept form.